Greetings all. Quick video to show you how to update Cachetur Assistant script via TamperMonkey. TamperMonkey should automatically update the script. Sometimes it doesn't. Hey, stuff happens. It's a pretty easy process. In Firefox, you're looking for the little puzzle piece. Same thing in Google Chrome. It's right next to your location bar in both browsers, little puzzle piece. Puzzle piece means extensions. Okay, whatever browser you're in, click the puzzle piece or find out how to get to your extensions in other browsers. I click TamperMonkey here. Second from the bottom, I click the dashboard. I click the Cachetur Assistant script. I go to the Settings tab once I have the script open. In the third section, the Updates section, see the button to check for user script updates? Click that. It's checking for the update, and you can see mine's up to date, so it did not find any updates. It's that easy. If you have any questions with the assistant or anything else with Cachetur, please feel free to reach out to us via the Cachetur user forum group on Facebook or through the support feature on the website. Thanks for using Cachetur. Happy caching.